Okay, I found now PA the talk. So now for example, if you want now to create this kind banner now, what we use? And this banner could be very nice and clear, and we fit print them out, put them for any big banner where they road for any major road at all. Now, what you want to do first of all now be say I want to make sure so now remember say now phone they use throughout now for inside this page academy. Now I want you to design the banner start to finish, and the banner now is yeah, so it is very simple and also they very expensive. Now we'll jump in. How we fit create this banner? We fit start our own services. You two the design, if you to use this banner, they list out your own services. I'm gonna jump in sharp, more go. Now I'm gonna go to this place. Now I'm gonna click default. Now if I click default design, everything what I do things go wipe. Now I'll come back to my default page. If you open your own pixel lab, now you're supposed to see 9 be this, JB. Now what you want to do now sharp you say before we even start to design anything, make sure see we don't change the size of what you want design. Now we'll change the size of our canvas. We'll go where they put this 3 dots for here first. We'll go where they put image size. Now for that image size, this place where they put custom, so we'll tap this place where they up here. So we'll go where they put YouTube thumbnail, we'll put them because that one big, we'll use them. This size now it makes sense for banner, especially the banner they put for road well long. Remember I say banner now they long well like this. Hey, but all those flyers sometimes they do like this, they long like this, but banner they mainly long. And they see for big sign. But now more what you want for now quick before we proceed, we say this test what we get for here, so more can put them into use. Now the first thing we want to do is more bring name of our business coming. So we'll tap this test right there, we'll come tap edit. Notice now the test to now a day for here, so we'll tap edit. Now more we change the test, so more can put the name of the company for here. This one is very important, my man. So we don't put the name of the business. More click OK, and the thing we want to do again, more try position this one well for up. More push and move fast. Don't they move a number 50%, more push and well. Okay, move account down small. Now what you want to do now for here be say sharp be say more change the handwriting. And the handwriting we want use now, make sure say the handwriting it makes sense. No more go where they put font for here, so don't forget say I did inside the text area, and you go where they put font. So if you tap the font side, you'll go where they put my fonts. They say you go put my fonts. This one a font where you download, but if you go this normal fonts, if you carry any font at all where you want. So if you go this normal font place, you go see the get you this code down, you go see the get one font where they down here again where me they like where. But this font now not gonna be inside this one. But if you go normal pixel app for the get one font where they make sense for many design, the name of the font they call them Vigo. See am for here down. See am so man give am this one, so that's the design. Don't do okay like that for here. Now thing I want to do is say man reduce the size for this one, because if it too big, you carry many space. So man reduce the size. I don't reduce the size small. Man still reduce the size small again. More put them for around 20 something. We'll leave one first for this 27 where it first. Now what you want to be say more go this relative position place, we'll make sure say it dey center. After that, make sure say it dey center, more space and to space and now we'll scroll. They two join because of the handwriting, unless it's two join. But where they put this spacing, and you go space and small. Just use any space where you want, use this space and but me now more just space and okay. You see, so we'll just use this spacing. We'll just use and write our Zali designs. See, don't do okay like that. Now what you want to do again for here sharp you say more will come bring in our next test. So more tap normal body. You see and say yeah no change because I know they edit any test. I tap the normal body. You see and say yeah don't change. So I'll click this test please. Now I edit this test. I don't click edit option for you. What thing I want to do for you now sharp you say I want list out the name. So we'll couple Zali designs, right? So we'll put it to one put for here. So you get and so we'll put it to one put for here. We don't put it like this for here, so sharp. So what you want to do for here now sharp is more go our handwriting side again. We'll go this handwriting side where they here. Now more go choose font where go make sense. See this font they put blogger sounds, it makes sense also. We'll put them. Now what you want to do now more reduce the size as we don't do for the previous one. We just say we reduce the size, say the size small. Okay, more reduce the size. This size now do okay. Now what you want to do now be say more position this one for center too. More make sure say this center. Most people push this one go up. Just say na banner I want do. all these things were small for the banner for inside the design. So one computer for the banner, and I go see how I go take big where. Now after I put the name, now the next one I want to do, they very simple. The banner they very simple. We'll go over to our shape side. See, I don't come out for test side now. I dey go my shape side. So we'll go over to this shape side. We'll tap where they put this shape. So we'll tap where they put the shape. So we two one need be say, if not what I do, ma quick go over and make it. I know some of can be pull, but for post will not be pull yet for pistol. I'm gonna observe. Now if we go this shape side, see I come out for this test place. This test place now this since I click this place where they put image. So if where they put this now and tap, then you can't tap and you'll see where they put shape. If you click this shape, so you'll see one shape go show, square go show by default, but we can't tap this side where they put for you. So more tap that side. So if we tap this side down, you can see they'll give option to give us many shape. So we'll just use any shape or like this triangle. Now it makes sense. We'll use them. Now what we want to do now with this shape is when that list out, when that right way to they do. So we'll make sure to say the shape is small. We don't make the shape small. More press good well. Now the press good, more rotate this shape where the effect give us. If you just scroll down, go to where they put rotate. Try rotate the shape how you want them. So you see just try rotate the shape. So now if you see the shape don't make sense how you want, your camera start to they use, but mostly rotate the shape small. Okay, now two want to be say more make sure say we shift this shape. So go where the put relative position, make sure you shift and go the extreme end. If you know reach the end the way use this position, normal position, take position away. Now we two want to now more make sure say this thing it dey very okay. More use want take position away. Now it depend on which thing now we they do. So this shape now what we choose, if we make the shape big or if we make the shape small, depend on how many things we want to come outside. You understand? Now what you want to now for you be say we will start all about 2 or 1 use. So if you come this relative size, you feel reduce the height or you feel increase and depend on how many shape where you need. You understand? Depend on how many shape where you need. So if you just say what they do the services they reach 20 or they reach 10, you could reduce the size. But if they know many, you feel leave them for around 10 size or 11. So more use this one now, more reduce, more start to list our size. So more position our man move and come out small, move and come out small shaping. Now now what we will do now, what we want to do now for your sharp more go this test area, more add test, we'll click edit for your sharp more start all our services we want to do. Now pay attention to this place now. So or they put the services like this one by one. If you don't put the services, you go over to this font side. Now because we don't use, if you go to this recent will show you font where you don't use recently. You tap this recent, you click and we'll click OK. So you see the font. So now more position this one where more go position, more move on. If they move so slow, draw this thing so you go feel move fast. Depend on how you want them. Depend on how you want them. But now I want to reduce my own size of my text small. I just put them for 30. So we'll list out all the things, everything where we want list out. We'll list them out like this. So what you want to do now next be say after you position this one like this now, you go tap this shape where they observe this part because I go pause the video man take do the rest, make video not too long. So you tap the shape, you click where they put copy here, you copy the shape. If you don't copy the shape now, you go use this position, tap position, use position to position the shape down. Man move on fast. Find way to position the shape down, make it down. Make sure say they did the same side or make it down of the other one. What we'll do, we'll move on by 1 pixel. We'll check if they did the same side and did the same side. Now if they don't do the same side, now the next thing what you want to be say you go tap the text, and if you not forget the first one we'll do we tap the shape. You tap the shape, don't forget if you tap the shape you'll come to this image side, you will click this copy where they put here. But now after you copy the image, you will tap the text. Now come to the text side, tap the text, you click copy. As you don't copy the text, you see the text for up here where they decide. So now you can click edit. Now if you click edit, they'll give you option when you take type and that where you want. You understand? If you can put logos, if you can put any other thing where you want. Like now if we go ahead, if we put this website where they put for here, so we'll take and position and down where. So full move and down now. So we'll move and where. So you will make sure say the logos and the websites they the same place. I beg no forget the logos and the website today the same place. And make sure say your shape too it come out where. Just you position your shape where. All these things now they very important. So don't forget you copy the shape, you still also copy the text. And make sure say the text they did the same place. What I mean by that be say if I tap this grid place now, man tap this up place now, man go tap setting. You go see say this W and this LE they almost the same place. If they know they make sure say you arrange them say they the same place, and go still make sure say all this shape where they back here so make they almost they the same place. And beg if they know they like this logo now, you know they where the LE day W day, so position and where push and go back so make they the same place. So now we'll do now for the rest video we'll the copy the one like that. So I pause the video so my own not go long, make me do my own, you do your own like that. Now list out all the services where you want put. Now the tip is say if your own services the things wey you wan write many pass all these kind things, you fit reduce tap each text and reduce them one by one. Or we fit just merge all of them together, more reduce all of them once. Now that part now we wan follow. But before you do that one now, I'm gonna save this one first as project. We'll just save them. Click save changes there. Now what we want to do is say we'll click this layer place, we'll go merge everything what we do. You see, we'll tap this place, we'll merge them. So if we play around with them. More they tap all of them. Flyers, banner, you tap them. More join all of them together. For these ones, you leave the review to design. Tap all the 5 and there so we don't merge them. Now we don't merge them so coffee use and play now. Coffee go this size place, go reduce the height call the thing too tall. You just go reduce them for your sharp. So now be that so most also position and move and go up small. Okay, we don't they done now with that one. So what it next now they very simple. We'll just put one small line across here. So we'll go this our shape area, we'll hit shapes where they over here. So we'll get this shape right there. Just make the shape long small. Mostly make the shape look tiny. For that one, we'll make more press good. The shape not tiny enough, we'll make sure say the shape is tiny. We'll press good. Now we'll make sure the color they black. We'll put the color for black. I'm gonna position away. So now here it be like this. So I say just be like this. So we'll just make sure say this line we just put down for here to hide spice. If the line too tall, we'll make sure say we just reduce the line. We'll call make sure say the line this center. We'll go this relative position. We'll position the line where for center like this. Let's say the line now in the center where on you now for here. Now if we don't position this line up for center, one more thing we want do now be say quick. We say more find test, more carry test now. If we carry this test where there, we'll copy the test. Copy the test now, more edit them. We'll copy add something already convincing for down here. So if we could put this thing something like this for you now, they tell us say, oh, you follow us design. So wetin go happen? More you push this thing corner, make sure say the center, but I'm gonna push and go up. Okay, we'll push and go up. I'm gonna edit this thing again because we don't use capital letter well for this thing. We don't make mistake. We use capital letter for the first words. So we'll put this one down here for you now. We'll increase the size small of this one. We'll make sure say it dey center. Click creative position. We'll make sure say this one dey center. Now I'm gonna push and go up small. We'll reduce the speed. We'll push and go up small. Okay. So I say it don't do there. So we'll put down there our design increases 6. You understand? If you put something like that for you, now what you want to do next now be say we'll go ahead again, we'll go ahead to shapes. Now what you want to do this shape now, we'll make sure the shape they long well. If we reduce some as we want, we'll make sure say the shape they long. Now we want to make sure say this shape will position down for you. We'll position down now for you. Yeah. We'll make sure say you just dig down, just see have you adjust and small. But we'll make sure say this particular ones what we'll do dig down. Okay, now what we still do again for there now be say we'll just change the color. So if they see what they do, we'll change the color. So see that one now go day down. I'm mostly bringing another shape again. Something like this. But this one I'm gonna increase the radius. I'm gonna put the radius of 5. May fine. Now we'll bring in the shape, something like this. Mostly increase the radius. I'm gonna hit edit, more reduce the size. Come now make big. Just reduce the size small. More position for here. Position for this side now. So this one I too want to do now be say quick we go one. Make sure say this one no dey too bright like that because we reduce the opacity for this one, but we'll come back to this one later real quick. Now we'll make sure these are our colors, our test what we do for here. So we'll make sure say the color dey black. Man put this one for black. Okay, now since the color dey black now we'll copy test what we put for inside this box. So man tab copy, man edit this test now, man find what we put for inside this box. So we'll just put something. So just put something now where it all makes sense. So if we put something like this now we'll go this position, this align. We'll click align. We'll make sure say we'll click and put them for align center. Okay. Click edit again. My extend this box small. More position and way again. I'm gonna make sure say we'll go this place and I'm gonna capitalize everything with there. So more position away. More move and make sure say the thing they well positioned for the center. So this one I must give am spacing small. More make sure say this line spacing more increase on. Okay, now must go back to position more position away. So you see that they needs like that, so that is a great professional designs of body size. So for this damn place now, we'll figure put our contact because here we'll make sure say this one this center. Okay, now more position away for me to move don't be on contact small. Okay, we don't take much time for this one. I'm gonna move on again now to the main bedroom. I'm gonna bring in some images. We'll get some images we'll go use for our phone number and the rest. So if you click this our normal like this, I'm gonna copy them, we'll edit them, we'll write in our number what we want use. You tap your number for here where you want use. If you put any number where you want use at all. So we'll tap in our number. But now what I want more do for you now. We won't bring this in down. What I want more do for you now be say make we what we do now be say make we bring in some image we want use as phone number. So we'll tap this plus icon now, we'll click from gallery. Now I get some icons of phone already, right? Of phone. So you get some icons already. Icon will be like picture of phone already me want use now for inside this video. But if you no get no while I talk drop link where if you download many icons how you like. So I go America now I go find picture for WhatsApp more use on. So now America be this. So we get this picture over here of WhatsApp. If you just carry the picture use, we get this main picture over here for WhatsApp. So we just tap am. We use that one set to WhatsApp. Now so we'll still go bring in the other picture. So see the picture of WhatsApp. If your picture get background already, go erase background, you tap am, go this where they put erase color so comot the color wey first dey. You go fit increase the color so the color come up but I know show. If the color small still show, click this plus icon. You come click this sticker, use and select the color wey see dey show for your logo where you carry. Complete good. Come try clean that one comot, make dey comot finish. So you fit reduce the size. Make sure say anything wey dey around the design comot like my own now, some still dey show. So you go try take your best, make take your time to comot, take pick everything come out. So now be this now. So to one do now more reduce the size, more go our size, more go reduce more go relative size, more reduce the height right there. So okay, now more go relative position, more push this one corner, push this one corner. Now more use normal position to adjust this one. See, so we'll put our WhatsApp number over here. May make sense like that. So we'll call back our phone number now for here. Go write phone number, we'll get more adjust our WhatsApp. Put our WhatsApp number now for here. More put our phone number now for here. And so we'll still go do again. If we don't put our phone number finish, we'll tap this one, we'll copy them. We'll come right. If you get a website, you go add your website, or you go add Instagram, anything where you want to add. So now so you go to do for everything, all of them. And so you want to do them. So just put. So coffee position this one. We'll still go to follow the same process. Go to import image. Import and first. So I get this image over here of website. So no matter any image where you get at all, if you use them, I get this image over here of website. So we'll just import this one now. Click good. Now reduce the size. More go to relative size. More reduce the size. I'm more position now. More go relative position. More just position away. Now I'm going to use normal position TV adjust them. Now I'm also position the text. More go over to text now. Position the text way. Okay, more also we adjust our image. Okay, now I add to my phone number. Don't forget to try and make your phone number make sense. So more position this one now. Now more increase the size. Now more also position and where since we don't increase the size. Or make sure say everything they balance. Okay, we'll also increase the size for this other one. Okay, we'll make sure say the space no dey too much. Okay, so we don dey done now with this particular design. The last one I wan do now be say make we import our last image wey we wan use. We'll hit from gallery. We'll import image. So I'll go over to where they keep some images of some people who I wan use. So I'll go over to my memory card and carry the image. So we get this image over here of this boy in front of my model. Now I'll give on how this image is to. So get this image over here. We'll just click more, use this one. And if the image get background, we'll click over here. We'll go over to erase color. Make sure so we erase the color. If you know erase the color where we'll tap this place where they put for here. We'll make sure say erase all the color we don't want to come out. I'm make sure say it will increase. Okay. If it did not still come out finish, we'll make sure say we still tap plus more choose the color where we make sure where we not say it not fully come out. We'll make sure see the white. Okay, more. Okay, we'll increase the transparency small. Okay, and next one I want to be say we'll go to this 3D rotate right there. We'll rotate the y-axis reach 100 fully. You see, and so we'll rotate and reach 100 fully. The more position on. See where this so now one position now. We'll make sure see we'll tap this layer to where they up here. We'll hold this particular one, so we'll bring a come back so it only him go day down. We'll make sure see him day down. More all this place where. We'll make sure see we draw and go down. Okay. We'll make sure see that box will put. Okay, we'll make sure see just say the thing day back where. After that, make sure see this one day back now where. Now I'm gonna do some last merge for white background. So that almost finish with them. I'm gonna merge these two boxes together. we know say we don dey okay. But before we merge again, we'll make sure say we still save this one as project. So if we come back to am. Okay, now all the 7 project we did save, more merge them. So we don't mesh some things, but we'll go color. Now for this background one use, if we get many options, now we'll go this color. Now don't forget say I don't do my background area. So I'll hit this color over here. And you get option to say choose from any color where they here. If you choose from normal color, if you give any color where you want. But me now, I'll just go with this color where they over here. But before you go with any color, make sure see if you go with color like white or your other design like this my test now, it is white. So I'm change that one to black so it will make sense mix. So make sure see we'll put this one for black. This my lock this one. Make sure say I put all my tests for black. Okay, now this my main logo. We'll still give a stroke. Yes. We'll leave the stroke for 2. Now our test where they down also. We'll make sure so more try put them for black. So put it for black now. We'll change our shape with the we'll change the shape color. So we'll go color. We'll change the color. So let's change to darker white. In case you don't get all this color, don't forget say I get all this color what I use for the background, and yeah, I get all of them from white. So if I click white now, if you click this plus icon right there, so if you reduce the white may not too dey bright, you see, so you can't get that particular color when me use. You understand that? So now white, but the white not dey too bright. So now go back to colors. Okay, so next one I want to do now be say we'll reduce this shape right over here. So one tap the shape, more reduce the opacity, or where the put opacity to make sure you reduce the opacity small of this shape. Don't still forget say you give the shape color. You give the shape color, but make sure say the color will give the shape you reduce the opacity. Now after that reduce the opacity, come down small of the shape. We'll coffee merge there now. So now we'll merge this one together. After we merge them, we'll position and where we'll reduce the size first. We'll position and where. Okay, mostly reduce the size if need be. We'll position and where. Okay, hope say you grab, you understand, and you get something for this video. So this video now just simple banner. So I say the video take many time like this, and so this banner video they want to get time and get time right, so that when they print them out, the thing go fit come out well and so still want them. So it could just be for this video. Now what you want to do now will save the video, and I'll see you now for the next video. But just click save as image, and make sure, don't forget, you make sure see your design, save them as ultra. It save to gallery. So hope say beginners understand this video well also, and it will help them for their career. I'm gonna take the create and design some kind banner design. I already hear from boys, so me already day very tired. But also the design go take make sense. So this kind of design done for personal. No me go to tell you price where you want to use, but really make sure say you try build the person way, because this kind of design is stressful and they take time very well. This designer no go dey less than 82,000 to 42,000 because na banner. So I'll see you now again for the next video.